In the gaming or gambling industry, no two games are alike. The dice game craps is totally different from the card game blackjack, and neither is at all like roulette. Yet all have one thing in common. At some time, somewhere, some player will try to cheat. Casinos rely on their pit bosses to detect cheaters and to deal with them unobtrusively when they are found. By protecting a casino's profits, pit bosses also protect the amount of money casinos pay in state and local taxes on those profits. To be an effective casino pit boss, a person must be intimately familiar with the games being supervised. Usually that means serving as a game attendant and dealer for some time at each game. It's important to learn the ins and outs of blackjack, craps, and other games, so that by the time you are promoted to pit boss, you know every game and every trick that can be played by someone trying to cheat the house. Other duties may include resolving disputes, organizing dealer rotations and work schedules, and supervising dealers and game attendants. In most casinos, the pit boss is the frontline manager who is directly responsible for the smooth, honest operation of the most popular games.